Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Students, in our previous class, I explained you lesson number 5, which is adjective, and I explained you what are adjectives, right? So, students, adjectives are describing words which are used to describe noun, pronouns, things, animals, etc. Right? And I told you that an adjective comes before the nouns it describes. Sometimes it comes after the verb or the adverb. And I have given you the examples as well of adjectives. Right? So now let's move ahead. Adjectives that describe the quality, appearance, feeling, or emotions, color, age, material, size, touch, shape, and opinion of a noun or pronoun are called adjectives of quality. And I explained you about adjectives of quality as well, that the adjectives of quality, as the some term says quality, it describes as the quality of a material, of anything. It tells us the quality, whether it's bad, good, or emotion and color, age, material, size, touch, shape, and opinion of a noun or pronoun. And we have done exercise number 2, which is given on page number 37 of your English 1 book. I hope you have done it, right? And I gave you exercise 3 as homework. Complete the story with the adjectives given. Now I want you to match your answers which I gave you as homework, which with me, because I'm going to tell you the answer of exercise number 3. Complete the story with the adjectives given. You just check whether you have written the right answer in the blanks or not. I'm going to read it quickly. Number 1. It was a dash day. It was a warm day. A fox entered a garden. He saw a vine laden with bunches of dash grapes. A vine laden with bunches of ripe grapes. The very sight of them made him feel dash. The very sight of him made him feel hungry. He leapt up at the grapes several times, but they were too high for him to reach. So you have to write high in the blank. After a long time, he decided to give up trying. He went away saying, "The grapes are sour." So you have read this story, and I'm sure that you have written the same answers which I have told you now. Now, number 2. A man had a goose which laid a golden egg every day. He sold the eggs and became a rich man. Lucky though he was, he soon began to think he was not getting rich fast enough. He became greedy. He wanted to get all the eggs at once. So he cut the goose open. He was shocked to find nothing inside. So just match whether your answers are same which I have told you, or they are different. If they are wrong, just make sure that you correct it. Okay. Now page number 38. Some adjectives end with ing. We use ing adjectives to describe things or people. So there are some adjective words which end with ing, right? And we use ing adjective to describe things or people. और ये वाले adjectives जिसके लास्ट में हम ing ऐड करते हैं, वो हम यूज करते हैं डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए लोगों को और चीजों को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बुक इज इंटरेस्टिंग. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस we are describing book. We are describing about book, right? Now, some adjectives end with ed. We use ed adjectives to describe how we or others feel about something. And there are few adjectives which end with ed in the end, right? So these adjectives describe us हम कैसा फील करते हैं किसी चीज के बारे में, या कोई दूसरा कैसा फील करता है किसी चीज के बारे में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई feel I feel interested, I am interested in reading books. Or so in this sentence, interested, the ed is in the last, is the last two word of which is added to interest. So interested is the word in which we have ed, and interesting is the word in which ing is added, right? Now there is an exercise given, page number 38, exercise 4. Read these sentences and tick the right adjective. So you have to read the sentence and you have to choose the answer from the option which is given there. There are two options given for each question. You have to select the right one and you have to tick on it. Okay. Number 1. The children were dash about the picnic. What should be the answer here? Excited or exciting? The children were dash about the picnic. We will select excited because this is in this sentence we are talking about past, right? And for past, if the sentence is in past tense, then we add ed to the verb, right? To the word. So the children were excited about the picnic. So we will write excited here. I feel very dash after the journey. I feel very tired after the journey. So you have to tick on tired here. Number 3. The movie was very boring or bored. The movie was very boring. It was a boring movie, right? So we will tick on boring. Number 4. I was surprised to see him. I was surprised to see him. The news is shocked or shocking. The news is shocking. So we'll tick on shocking. Number 6. I was dash with my marks. I was disappointed with my marks. Number 7. The magician's trick was dash. Amazing or amazed? What should be right answer? Amazing. The magician's trick was amazing. He looks worried or worrying? He looks worried. Number 9. I am dash in music. So what will you choose? Interesting or interested? We'll write interested in here. So I am interested in music. Number 10. The sound is very irritated or irritating. The sound is very irritating. Now, exercise number 5. Complete these advertisements with the adjectives given. Free yoga classes. So this is an advertisement, and you have to fill the blanks which are given here, and you have to complete this advertisement. Number 1 is for free yoga classes. So this is an advertisement for free yoga classes. Develop a slim body. Develop a dash body. Develop a slim body dash skin. How is the skin? Glowing skin. Develop a slim body, glowing skin, a happy and peaceful mind. A dash and dash, a happy and peaceful mind. So you have to write happy and peaceful mind. Dash health, good health. With dash yoga. What kind of yoga? With regular yoga you can achieve all these. So you have to write good health with regular yoga. Yoga will make you feel dash and dash. Yoga will make you feel fresh and energetic even after a dash day of dash work. Even after a long day of hard work. Alright. So just like you have done the first one, which I have just told you, the ad for free yoga classes, you have to complete the number 2, car for sale, the second advertisement, and the third advertisement, house for rent. on your own. So these two advertisements are your homework: car for sale and house for rent. You have to do it on your own. The options are given below. The in the help box you can find the words which are given in the help box. You can use these words to fill in these blanks which are given. Okay. And students, in your English 1 notebook, you have to write the definitions of adjective and its types which are given in your book. So write the definitions which are given in your book in your notebook, and the exercises which are given in your book, you have to do it in your book only. You don't do the exercises in your copy. You only have to do the write the definitions in your copy, and you have to learn it. All right. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.